everybody, I'm Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the dumplings. If you're interested in this, and you can go and check my video.
Now we are going to ride a motorcycle to the wholesale market. It's a little far, so we have to take the vehicle. But credit card is not so nice, so we choose the motorcycle. Okay, go.
Why the local wholesale market? Because there you can find the best ingredients and the best price. Like you can just buy the fresh meat and the vegetables. These are the secrets to the juicy, tender feeling that won't be tough. And also, you can even bargain in the market, unlike what we can do in the supermarket. Back at home, first we wash and chop the green onions. Then we steep some ingredients like the citron peppercorns in hot water to make a fragrant spice broth. That will be our key ingredient. Next, cut the meat into chunks and mince it. You want it to be fine and pasty, just like this. See, the texture is perfect. By now, our spice broth is ready. We'll strain it so that we can have a clear liquid without any bits. Look at this beautiful color. Then we add 1 egg into the minced meat and pour that in spice broth, little by little. Then it's our time to work out our arms. Mix and knead everything together in one direction. It really takes some effort, but be patient because this hand kneading really adds a special touch that machines can just match. Finally, add some salt. See how the meat has absorbed all the liquid, and it's time that it is ready. Okay, now let's not waste anything. We'll take the leftover strained out spice bits and some fresh mushrooms. And before that, chop them all up together. Mix this into our meat mixture, and our dumplings filling is done. It's a great way to use everything and not waste. Now everything is ready, let's just start to wrap. Actually, wontons and dumplings are quite different to wrap. Look at this. For the wonton skins, they are lighter and delicate. Sometimes too much meat and the skin can just support. So you must be very careful. And if you want to know more details on how to wrap and shape it like a boat, you can just leave your comments and maybe I will have a tutorial. See these wontons standing there, cute and beautiful. And now it's time to wrap the dumplings. Actually, dumpling skins are thicker and steadier. So you have to fold and make some wrinkles so that when it is boiling in the water, it won't leak. And also the texture is much stronger than Wonton. Now for the final touch, the sauces. For the dumplings, you may prepare a stronger and darker dipping sauce. For the wontons, maybe it's better to be lighter and clearer. Actually, for some Chinese, we often prepare some fantastic umami soup to accompany the wontons. That's really good. If you like spicy, you can add some chopped chili peppers to add some touches. That's all for making the wontons and dumplings. Hope you will like it. And if you want to know more about cooking and traveling, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.